going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 1991 from the basic concepts of systems. So here it is. An excitation is applied to a system at t goes to capital T and its impulse response is 0 for minus infinity to the t value, the small t values from minus infinity to capital T, then such a system is given that the system is non-causal system, stable system, causal system and unstable system. Now we'll verify which is correct out of these four options. So here given that the input x of t, by writing the mathematical expression, this we can write it as this is del of t minus capital T. We have impulse at capital T, t equals to capital T, so we can write it as x of t equals to del of t minus capital T. Then this is the system is excited by this input signal, then the response is then given that a system here, given that a system, so for this the input is given as x of t equals to del of t minus capital T is given. Then we can set the output. So if the input is del of t, then the output will write it as h of t. If the input is shifted by capital T, then the output is also shifted by capital T here, so h of t minus capital T. So this is h of t minus capital T here. So for the system to be stable or causal or something, so we need to check the condition for the system in terms of impulse response. So coming to the causal system, this h of t must be equals to 0 for t less than 0, nothing but and this is the condition. And one thing is whenever the input is applied before this is nothing but the input is applied at t equals to capital T equals to 0. So here the input is applied at capital T, then the h of t must be equals to 0 for t less than this capital T, and the output exists only after t greater than t here, greater than capital T here. So we got h of t equals to t minus, we got h of t minus capital T, and given that the response is 0 for t less than 0, and this is equals to 0 for minus infinity to t to capital T, and this is having some value only after t greater than capital T, nothing but the output is obtained only after applying the input signal only. So before applying the input signal we don't have any response, then the such type of system, the output obtained only after applying the input signal, then such systems we can call it as causal systems. So if the output is obtained before applying the input signal, then that is called as non-causal system. But here the output is 0 for before applying the input signal and having some value for t greater than t only, then the system is called as causal system. Then the option C is correct here. Option C is only the correct answer.